Hey, good day. It's Anthony at Johnson RV Medford. Just wanted to bring you this 2016 Leisure Travel Unity 24MB. It is built on the Sprinter 3500 chassis. 3-liter V6 engine. This wonderful coach is sleek and versatile, and it's just over 25 feet long. Some good storage on the rear. Underneath, it's 25 feet long. It's easy to drive and park while offering luxury and comfort. As we get inside, you'll know its standout feature is the Murphy bed. Right here, the 2 theater seats, dining area. With the Murphy bed, it creates a spacious living area, which is nice to have. Say hi to you. As we turn around and get the coach or the cab. Very nice and spacious. Entertainment center, lots of good storage. As you see here, the slide down TV. And again, more storage here. What I like about these, the pop locks, makes them nice and secure. As we move into the kitchen area, we got this 2-burner stove, sink. It's nice and deep. There you are, high. Mentioned microwave oven, fridge, and freezer. We move back, nice spacious bathroom area, shower, very good size, toilet, and again some more storage up above the toilet. Nice wardrobe area. And again the front of the motorhome. So this Unity 24MB is perfect for couples and solo travelers looking for adventure without sacrificing any comfort. So if you have any questions, please see me or any one of the outfitters here at Johnson RV Medford. Look forward to speaking with you. Take care.